Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own animations title in Davinci Resolve for beginners and how to export and import the titles to Davinci Resolve so you can use it anytime that you want or if you want to sell it. Okay, so without any further ado, let's jump into Davinci Resolve and get started. Okay, so first go to Fusion tab and we're going to do all the animations and the effects in this tab. Okay, so this is the toolbox bar, this is the timeline, this is the preview tab, and this is the inspector tab. Okay, to create a text, just simply drag this text tool to the timeline. And this little box is called node. Okay, and you must be wondering what is this media out node. Okay, so first let me type a text. Okay, so this media out node is to make the text visible in the edit tab. Okay, as you can see, it's visible now, but if I disconnect the line, it won't be visible anymore. And you can create as many fusion composition as you want. Just go to effects library, effects, and fusion compositions. Just drag it to the timeline, then make sure it's selected, and then go to fusions to create the effects and animations. Okay, I'm going to delete it, and we're going back to this one. Okay, and this little two dots on the left side is to make it visible. Okay, this one is to make it visible on the left view, and this one is to make it visible on the right view. Okay, so I will create some simple animations. First, I will create a background and I will set it white like this. To create a shape, you can use this form mask tool. Okay, I want to create a rectangle shape, so I will use this rectangle shape tool and then connect it to the background to mask it into a rectangle shape. Okay, and to connect the rectangle with the text, I need a merge node, so drag this merge node to the timeline and you will see these three triangle on the node. This one is for effects, then this one is for background, then this one is for foreground. I want the rectangle to be on the foreground, so I just drag it to this triangle to connect it, and the background triangle will move here, and then just drag the text to the background to connect it. Okay, so let me show you. You cannot see the difference because the rectangle is in white color. So I will change the color to black, and now you can see the difference, right? Okay, and then next I will align it. And then next I will keyframe it to create an animations. Okay, it will be easier if you click on this spline tab. Okay, so now we can see the frame. Let's move back to frame 10, and then just like in edit tab or in Premiere, Final Cut or Film Express, just click the keyframe icon, and then I will move the frame to frame 20 and change the value to animate it like this. So let's play it. As you can see, so that was how to animate a text, but it doesn't look so smooth, so you can make it smooth by selecting the keyframe and then click on this smooth icon to make it smooth. So I want it to move from really fast to slow, so I will make the curve to look like this. Okay, and the animation will look like it's moving really fast to the top and then it will slow down. Okay, so let's play it. Okay, now that's better. Okay, and then let's mask the text using rectangle mask tool as well, and then connect it to the text. Then I will animate the rectangle as well. So I will click on the keyframe icon and move it down here. So as you can see, the text is not visible right now. And then move the frame to frame 20 and move the rectangle. Okay, and just like before, I will make the animation smooth, but I don't want to select the rectangle one. So to lock it, just click on this checklist icon and it will turn into this square icon. That means it's locked. Okay, so you cannot move the keyframe right now, or you can make it not visible as well. Just click on it again and it won't be visible, but I will just lock it and then make the rectangle animation smoother. Okay, then let's play it. Okay, that's good. I will add some opacity to the rectangle. Okay, so click on this rectangle one and keyframe the level. Oh, sorry, keyframe it and set the value to 0. Then move the frame and set the value back to 1. Okay, then it's done. And let's connect it to the media out node so it will be visible in the edit tab. So this is the final result. So that was how to animate a text in Davinci Resolve. And this is just the basics that I show you. You can make it look like how you want it to be. Okay, next I will show you how to export the title and then import it to the effects library right here, so you can use it anytime that you want, or you can use it for sale. Okay, so select all the nodes and then right click on one of the node, then go to macro and create macro. In this tab you can select which settings you want it to be adjustable when you use the titles. So just select the important settings. For the rectangle one, I will make this adjustable, and for the background I will set it so you can change the color. And then for the rectangle 2 and text as well. Okay, and after you have done, you can change the name and then go to file and save. It will be saved here by default, but you can move it anywhere that you want. After you click save, to import it to this effects library, go to where you save it. It will be saved here by default. And then move the macro file, to program files, Blackmagic Designs, Fusions, Templates. And if you don't see this folder, you can just create one and name it edit, and then create another one and name it titles, then paste it here and click continue. After that, go to the effects library and scroll down until you can see the title. Just drag it to the timeline and now you can use it. Okay, and you can also change the value like I told you earlier. You can change the color, size, the color of the rectangle as well. Okay, so that was how to create your own animations title, export it, and then import it to Davinci Resolve again so you can use it or you can sell it if you want. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I'm still in the progress of making my own animations title. I will give it away for you for free when it's done. Hopefully I can get it done by next month. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy and learned something new from this video. Hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video.